Seedream 5 is one of the best AI image generation models available right now. And the best part is, you can use it completely free. Let's see how. Our first website is Flashloop. I've already made a dedicated video on it. After creating an account, you'll receive free credits to use Seedream 5. Once you've used those credits, check out my previous video where I show you a way to earn more free credits. Now let's move on to the second website. Our second website is currently offering 10 free Seedream 5 generations. Just create an account, select Seedream 5, enter your prompt, and start generating images. If you want to grab offers like these before everyone else, join our private chat. Just send me a DM on Telegram for more information. Our third website is Dropshot. I also shared this website recently, but many people couldn't claim the free credits. So this time, follow my steps carefully. First, click the sign up button. As you go through the sign up process, pay close attention to the URL at every step. Complete the registration using a Gmail account. Many people have asked whether they can use a temporary email, but this website no longer accepts temporary email services. After entering the OTP, you'll be redirected to the account setup page. Here, you'll need to modify the URL. Then wait a few seconds and a pop-up will appear. Claim the free credits from the pop-up. After that, refresh the page and your balance will increase to 600 credits. Now you're ready to generate images using the Seedream 5 model. And those are top 3 websites where you can use Seedream 5 for free. If one website runs out of free credits or changes its offer, you can always try the other 2. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more free AI tools, websites, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.